In your personal opinion, what's the best tune for the Cowie 310? Kspeed or Riva? 310 Kspeed. Wow, Kspeed. Wow, Kspeed. Because Kspeed is actively in the trenches. Cowie's tune is years old. All right. And they're not really touching it, and they're not getting the response out of it. Jamie Eade and the guys at Kspeed are actively beating on Cowies. And they're geared up because they're the number one Cowie dealer in Australia. And Kawasaki's really interested in owning Australia. So they're kind of using Jamie as like the tip of the spear. So some of the stuff that Jamie's coming out with might eventually end up on factory stuff. I'm just going to leave it at that. Billy, I've seen some of the dyno charts, and I've seen some of the stuff that they don't want published from Kspeed. Those dudes are mad scientists, and they are in love with Cowie. The stuff they're coming out with is legit. Hey, Kevin, so Sponsons from Riva would be a good match to pair with my Stage 1 Kspeed for my 310. I'd go with K1 or Kspeed. Kspeed has their own sponsons. The problem is that they're $1,000. You know what? They're not. They're 1,000 Australian, but it comes up to like $750. That's a little more expensive than Riva. Yeah, it's a little bit more. It's a little bit more than Riva. But, here's my problem, Andrew. I can't talk about half the stuff I know that Kspeed's working on. Guys, I can't. They advertise with the magazine. They spend money with me, all right? They keep the lights on. And all I can say is be excited if you're a Cowie guy. I'm telling you, be excited about what they got. Dude, they're cooking some really cool stuff up. And the skis, 7 years old. Jamie and those guys are working on some stuff for Cowie that, like, legit makes me want to go get an Ultra 310. Like, buy one. I never will, but I'll tell you this much. All right. So every year, Watercraft Journal, get your hoodies. Or t-shirts. Get a t-shirt. Link is at the top. Get a t-shirt. All right. So beginning of the year, I had a pretty good idea about what was coming up down the pike for Kspeed for the next year and a half. And they were like, hey, listen, we won't have much of this stuff until towards the end of our winter. I said, that's fine. They said, but we'd love to send you some parts. I said, I'd be interested. So anyhow, I knew I had a pretty good idea of what they were cooking up. And so I reached out to Cowie, and I was like, dude, I really want to get my hands on an Ultra 310. And they said, well, normally we'd say, sure, no problem. We'll give you one for 5-6 months. I said, great. And he goes, not happening this year. I go, why not? He goes, everything's sold out. The media guy was like, I've got 4 skis for the year. Media department. He goes, I got 2 sit downs and 2 stand-ups. That's all I got. I'm like, are you serious? He goes, if you want to come out to Cali, you want to come out to California, and we'll fly you out, and and he goes, but I just got 2 STXs. I don't even have Ultras. He goes, the Ultras are all gone. I was like, well, I kind of need an Ultra, and I might show up with some parts. And he's like, no, I can't do that. I'm like, okay. So I kind of struck out. But the stuff coming out of Kspeed, dude, I'm telling you, I'm telling you. Now, don't get me wrong. With $1,000, I can make a freaking Sea-Doo go 81 miles an hour. With $1,000, I can make a freaking Yamaha go 82 miles an hour. Can I do that with a Cowie? No. 77 for $1,200. Yeah, but I can also do probably 76 out in the ocean. 75, 76 out in the ocean. And that 80 mile an hour Sea-Doo ain't going to be doing no 75 miles an hour out in the ocean. Guaranteed. Guaranteed. I can guarantee it.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.